All right, let's look at problem 7. Problem 7 states that Erin has 6 colors of ribbon: red, white, gold, green, blue, and purple. She makes bows out of 3 different colors of ribbon. So there's 3 different colors of ribbon. How many different combinations, okay, there's that combinations word, which means the order does not matter, of colors can she use? Can she choose? I'm sorry. Okay, let's just go ahead and write some letters that are going to represent these so we're all on the same page. Red is going to be R. White is going to be W. Gold is going to be G. Green, we'll call it E because green has a long E sound, so E. Blue is going to be a B, and purple will be P. Okay, so I want to give you guys a chance to go ahead and try this problem on your own. So there's our friend the pause dragon. Remind you to pause your device, and when you get done, press play, and we'll go over this problem. All right, we're back. So let's go ahead. We're going to figure out how many different combinations of color she can choose from all these colors when she can choose 3 different colors of ribbon at a time. So let's start with red. So we're going to go, starting with red. I guess I should get red. Let's get red. That'll be fun. Okay. So red is going to be red, white, and gold. That's going to be 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have red and white partner with each other until we have all of the combinations of red and white, and then we'll change up the partnership. So red, white, gold, red, white, green, red, white, blue, and red, white, purple. Okay? Those are all the combinations with red and white partnering. So now let's partner red and green, gold together. Red, gold, green, E. Red, gold, blue. And red, gold, purple. Okay, those are all the partnerships with red and gold together. So now let's partner red and green. Red, green, blue. Red, green, purple. And those are all of those combinations with red and green together. Now let's partner red and blue. And the only partnership for that would be red, blue, purple. Okay, there's all of the combinations that include red. Now let's go ahead and let's do white. Well, I don't really have a white, so I'm just going to do the opposite of white, which would be black. Okay, so we are going to partner first white and red together. So white and red. We're going to go white, red, green. And then we're going to go white, red. Did I say, I meant white, red, gold. White, red, gold. That's first. White, red, gold. And then white, red, green. And then white, red, blue. And then white, red, purple. Okay, so those are all the combinations with white and red together. Then we are going to partner white and gold together. So it's going to be white, gold, green. And then white, gold, blue. And then white, gold, purple. And that's it for white and gold. So let's partner white and green together. White, green, blue. And then white, green, purple. And those are all the combinations for white and green together. So now let's partner white and blue. And the only one is white, blue, purple. Awesome. Okay. So we have all the combinations that include red, all the combinations that include white. Let's go ahead and get all the combinations that include gold. And I'm just going to use orange because orange is closest to gold, the colors I have. Okay, so we're going to partner gold and red together first. So gold, red, white. Then it's going to be gold, red, green. Then it's going to be gold, red, blue. And then gold, red, purple. Okay, so those are all of the combinations partnering gold and red together. Now let's go partner gold and white. So gold, white, gold, white, green, and then gold, white, blue, and then gold, white, purple. Okay, so those are all the combinations with gold and white partnered. Now let's partner gold and green together. So it's going to be gold, green, blue, gold, green, purple. And yeah, that's it for gold and green. So the last one is gold and blue, gold, blue, purple. All right. So now we have all the combinations for red, all the combinations for white, all the combinations for green. Now it's time to go to, red, white, and gold. I'm sorry. Now we're going to go to green. So we're going to go green. So it's going to be, we're going to partner green and red together first. So green, red, white. Green, red, gold. Oh, green. Green is an E. Red, gold. That is an E. Okay, green, red, gold, and then green, red, blue. Green, red, blue. Green, red, blue. And then green, red, purple. Okay? Green, red, purple. Okay, perfect. And then we're going to partner. Those are all the partners for... Did I start doing E's? Okay, this is not green. This is green, so it's an E. They should all be E's. Green is E. G is gold. E is for green. Okay, let me make sure that these are all E's. These all should be E's on the first because we're on green. Okay. Green. I'm going to put a star so that can help me remember that the E is green. A green star. Okay. So we partnered these are all the options. No, they're not. We had, okay, I'm going to start over for green. So it's green is partnering with R. So green RW, that's right here. Green RW. And then green R gold, that's here. And then green R blue is here. And then green R purple is here. Okay, so those are all of the options for green and red being partnered. So now we're going to partner green and white. So green, white, gold, green, white, blue, an E, green, white, blue, and then green, white, purple. Okay, and those are all of the options for green and white being in a partnership. Now we're going to have green and gold be partners. So green, gold, It's going to be green, gold, blue, and then green, gold, purple. Okay, now those are all the partnerships with green and gold. Now we're going to partner green and blue. So green, blue, purple. All right. Okay, so those are all the combinations for green. Now we're going to move to blue. All right, so let's partner blue with red first. So it's going to be blue, red, white, blue, red, green, blue, red, gold. G is gold. Blue, red, green is E. The E is green. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time with that. Okay, blue, red, green, and then blue, red, purple. Blue, red, purple. All right. Okay, so now we're going to partner blue and white together. So it's going to be blue, white, green, blue, white, blue, white, gold. Gold. G is gold. Blue, white, gold. Blue, white, gold. That's what that is. And then blue, white, green. And then blue, white, purple. Okay. And those are all the combinations with blue and white together. So now we're going to go blue and gold. G is for gold. Okay. Blue, gold. Okay, so blue, gold, green. And then blue, gold, purple. And then we're going to partner blue and green together. So it's going to be blue, green, purple. Okay, we have all the combinations for blue now. Okay, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our final one, purple. Woohoo! Let's do it. Okay, so we're going to partner purple and red. So purple, red, and white. And then purple, red, green. Purple, red, green. And then purple, red, purple, red, gold. G is gold, sorry. Purple, red, gold. That's what that means right there. Purple, red, gold. Purple, red, gold. G is gold. Okay. Purple, red, green. And then purple, red, blue. Okay. All right. Then we're going to partner purple and white. So it's going to be purple, white, green. And then purple, white. That's gold. Purple, white, gold. That's what that means. Purple, white, gold. Then we're going to go purple, white, green. Purple, white, green. And then purple, white, blue. Purple, white, blue. Okay. Now we are going to partner purple and gold together. So purple, gold, green, and then purple, gold, blue. Right, and those are all the options for partnering purple and gold together. And now I need to partner purple and green together, and it's going to be purple, green, blue. Woo! All right, we have all of the combination, or all of the combinations listed, but we do have some duplicates. So now we need to cancel out all the duplicates. Okay, let's do it. So, the first one is RWG. We're going to start here, first row, first column. RWG is the same as WRG, so that's a duplicate. It is also the same as GRW. That is a duplicate. Let's move to the next one. RWE is the same thing as WRE, and it's also the same thing as ERW. So these two are duplicates. Then we move to RWB. RWB is the same thing as WRB. They both have a B, RW, it's a duplicate. And also, where's the other duplicate for this one? RWB. It should be with B. Yeah, it's the same thing as BRW right here. Duplicate. Okay, let's go to RWP. RWP is the same thing as WRP. Duplicate. And it is also the same thing as PRW. All right, that one's gone. Okay, we're on the next. RGE is the same thing as, where is it? RGE, 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 yeah, GRE. It's the same thing, so we're getting rid of that one. And it's also the same thing as RGE, ERG right there. So those are duplicates. RGE, now we're on to the next, RGB. RGB is the same thing as GRB, okay? And it's also the same thing as BRG. Okay, those are the same. What did we just do? RGB. Okay, so now we're on this one. What does that say? Oh, REP. REP, this one is the same thing as wait, no, this is a G. Did I cancel out the right one? RGB, RGB, RGB. Okay, I did. This is a G. That's a G. Okay, I'm gonna just highlight the ones that I've done already. So I've done this one, this one, this one, this one. There's a lot of these. Okay, I did that one. So now we're on this one right here. RGP. Okay. RGP is the same thing as GRP. And it's also the same thing as PRG. Okay, there's the other duplicate. Okay, so now that one's done. Okay, now we're on to REB. REB is the same thing as ERB, right? REB, the R, the E, the B, yeah. And it's also the same thing as BRE. Those are the same. Okay, that was REB, so we did that one now. Now we're on REP. REP is the same thing as ERP, right? REP, REP, yeah, and it's also the same thing as, where's the other one? Oh, right here, PRE, yeah. Okay, there's the duplicate. Now we have that one. Okay, next one is RBP. RBP is the same thing as RBP. Okay, which is the same thing as PRB. Okay, there are all those duplicates for the first row. And now this one's done. Okay, on to the second row. WGE is the same thing as GWE, which is the same thing as EWG. Okay, so that one's done. Now we're on WGB. WGB is the same thing as GWB. And it's also the same thing as BWG. So now that one's done. Okay, on the next one, WGP is the same thing as GWP. That's a duplicate. And it's also the same thing as PWG. Okay, so that one's now done. No more duplicates for that one. WEB is the same thing as EWB, which is also the same thing as BWE. Okay, so that one's now done, complete. And WEP is the same thing as EWP, which is the same thing as PWE, duplicate. Okay, and I highlighted the wrong one. Okay, we still have to do this one, WBP. WBP is the same thing as BWP, which is also the same thing as PWB. Yes. All right. And I highlighted that one on accident, but now it should be highlighted. Okay. On to gold. GEB is the same thing as EGB. It's so easy when they're so close together, which is the same thing as BGE. Okay, that one's done. That one's complete. And then we have GEP is the same thing as EGP, which is also the same thing as PGE. Okay. And then we have GBP is the same thing as BGP. That's a duplicate. And also PGB. All right. And now we're on to this one. EBP. EBP is the same thing as BEP. That's a duplicate, which is also the same thing as PEB. All right. Woo! We did it. Okay. So we just need to, how many different combinations of color can she choose? So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 different combinations of color. So if you got that one right, yokodenki mashita, you did a great job, and we will see you next time. Goodbye.